Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing something a bit different than I usually do on my channel. And it's basically making slime virtually. If you guys haven't been noticing, there's a lot of new slime games on the iPhones. I don't know if they're on Androids, but I've seen a lot of new slime games on my app store, and I'm really excited to test them out and do a video for you. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe down below, turn on my post notifications, and yeah, let's get started. It's legit so hot in here because of my light. It's pointing right directly on me, so if you see me sweating, don't bother to comment. Thank you. Don't drag me in the comments. So I pre-downloaded some app games, so let me start screen recording in 3, 2, and 1, and it's now screen recording. So I downloaded 3 app games for right now, so I'm gonna play those 3 in this video. And if you guys want to see me playing more in another video, then go ahead and comment down below that you want to see more. So yeah, let's get started. So the first one we're gonna do is this Fluffy Slime app game, and I haven't played none of these, so I'm really excited. And look at the graphics, they look so cool. So let's get started. The song. Oh, the graphics look so nice. Fluffy Slime.
The Groupon app is amazing. It has everything you need to keep your kids from getting bored and from you losing your mind.
Okay, so it's first telling me to put some water into the measuring cup, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna follow all of the instructions clearly. So now I'm gonna put some borax into the measuring cup. Okay, and now I'm gonna dump it into the cup of water, which is only 1 ounce of water. Now mix it all together. There we go. So now we're gonna add some cornstarch into the bowl, which that's kind of weird because the first thing I add into the bowl when I make slime is the glue. So now we're gonna add that into the bowl. And now some shaving foam. This is a weird order to make slime. So press it. Press it. Okay, there. We're gonna add it into the bowl. Ooh, some foaming hand wash. Let's add that into there. Press it. There we go. And now the glue. Finally, the glue. Why is it at the last? Why is that the last thing we're gonna add? Isn't that supposed to be the first? And now we're gonna mix. That took so long. Okay, so now we can choose our colors. Yes, what color should we choose? These colors look nice. Let's choose yellow. And then what just happened? So we're now back into the paint part. I had to redo the whole thing all over again. Now we're gonna choose yellow. Let's see if it... So I think it logged me out because I closed the ad, right? Because you need to get a video before you use this color. So now I can use the color. So that's why I think it took me out of the app. That's not cool though. So now I'm gonna mix it together. That is an orange. That is not yellow. That's orange. So now we can add the borax. Yes, that's cool. I could have made a real slime by now, but this amount of time that it takes to make a virtual slime. Are we done? We're done. Okay. says to do that. What is it doing? Is it making a slime swirl like that? Oh god. Can I poke it? So that's that for that game. Well, overall the app, I would rate it probably a 3 stars out of 5 because, you know. So, yeah, I would rate it a 3 out of 5 stars just because it's not that entertaining and I would want something else. So now we're gonna play the DIY slime maker, and that's this game. So I'm excited for this one, you guys. Let's see how fun it is. Whoa. So it's already starting off with the borax, and how do I do this? Oh, there you go. So I'm dumping the water now. The borax solution. Oh no, that's a lot of borax. And now I'm putting the glue. The borax to water ratio and the glue ratio. That's gonna be some stiff slime. What is this? Hand wash and now some shaving cream. How much shaving cream do I need? Ooh, the colors, okay. So there's blue, cyan, green, orange, pink, purple, red, yellow, rainbow color, and unicorn color. I'm gonna do unicorn. Oh wait, there's more? Oh no. I'm gonna use unicorn. Oh, that's nice. Oh, do I have to mix it with my hand? This music. No. No. I'm dead. I'm really dead. On here. They legit use Jillian Bauer's slime from her video to use it as their game. But are we patting it down? Wait, oh, there's a glow option. Oh my god, that looks so cool, you guys. Oh, we're poking it. Oh my god. What happened? Well then, so now we're gonna play this last one, and I'm just gonna go real quick on it because I don't want to take too long. Let me move the camera over here. There we go. So this one is called Crazy Kid Games. Ooh, that's cool. The glitter's fine this time. Oh, okay, there's different color glues. So I chose purple, and now I have to put the thing in there, press it, add water, so I basically think it's basically like the last game, so I'll be back when it's fully done, you guys. So I finished my purple slime, and legit the same as the other one, it's just glitter. And am I just poking it? Like that? You see it?